So now that you know the troubles of recording in a bathroom, see, as soon as you in your zone, all you got is a just random, but it's beautiful. Another day on flat Earth, trying to stay around. So now that we know how to do C, D, and E, C, D, E, very simple, very simple. Best way to start. Now that we know how to do C, D, and E, let's learn how to do B flat. So you got your B flat and you got your B natural right here. You say. What we're gonna do, and you see the difference is just the middle finger is the sharp and the index finger is the natural. So, I mean the flat. So, so look, so we're gonna do the B flat major scale. That'll be the easiest one to play, I believe, because you don't have to worry about pushing this octave key and increasing your airspeed. You increase your airspeed when you want to go higher in pitch, especially when you're going into the upper register. But we're not going to worry about that yet. We are going to do the B flat. B flat is going to be B flat right there, right? This is the B flat scale. So B flat, C, D. Ooh, we already know those notes, right? But this is a note I haven't shown you. Once you get past the D, instead of going straight to the E or going to the E, we're going to turn it into an E flat by slapping this thing right here. So I want to make sure you guys can see this. These side keys right here, the first one on the bottom, you're going to trigger that and hold the same fingerings for the D. That just turns it into a sharp, which turns it into an E flat. So we go. Making sure you seen what I was doing. So very simple. It's just the same fingerings for the D, but with that thing. We know that one. So let's work from the B flat to the E flat. And it already comes up. I mean, sounds kind of nice already. You see, we're getting there. We're getting there. So you got the B flat. Start on the B flat. This is the B flat scale. So we've gone all the way to the E flat. So we're a little more than halfway there now. So the next note in the B flat scale after the E flat is going to be an F natural. F natural. There you go. There you have it. It's only the thumb. You hear that? Sounds like it goes with that scale, doesn't it? And you can always pay attention with your ear, and usually you can catch something that's not in the key, right? Especially if you're practicing, there's no background noise. You can really hear it. Even as a beginner, you know what a C major scale is like. C major scale, G major, all the major scales sound the same. They're just in different keys. But yeah, B flat. So now we're at the F already, you see? Almost finished. I think we have 2 or 3 more notes left. So after that one, the F natural, what do we have? A G. That's why they call it an open hole G. Open G. It's just a G. There's no keys to press. Just blow. So keep your hands ready for the next note. You see? So you know. Now you know B flat, C, D, E flat, and F. You know 5 of the 7. What are the next 2? What are the next 2 you say? The next 2 are just as easy as that G. It takes it takes very little air to get these notes out. These first notes I'm teaching you in the B flat scale. Very easy. So the next one out there is an A. Right there. You got that. I think you guys are catching on. So I think we can move on to the B flat. The last one. And then we're going to go from the B flat, the low B flat, to the middle B flat. So this is the B flat. I guess I gave it up. Bam. That's it. Same thing as the A, except now you're activating that octave key, which just brings it up a half step. So that's the B flat. So A to B flat. Those are the last 2 notes. A to B flat. All right, B flat, you're finally letting go of that thumb hole and you're just pressing these 2 keys. Okay, so let's do it. Start with the B flat in the bottom, and let's go. See, using just those notes I showed you, you can already put joy to the world. You can put together a lot of songs using just those 7 notes. But work on that. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, which is that, A, and B flat.